since our courts in Alabama are what we call courts of equity, or basically courts that are making a fair decision about who should have custody or who should have primary placement of the children or how the other parent should visit, you need to know how courts determine that custody should be awarded to one party or the other party. Now, it's known now that most courts will start out with the assumption that both mom and dad or both parents are on equal footing and kind of start with an idea that parents should share equal time. But if you need to win primary custody or sole custody of your children, you need to know how a court's going to determine that. Now, since our judges get to work to make a fair decision, there are a lot of factors that can come into play. But when you're looking at trying to prove to the court that you are the more fit and proper party, we need to be able to show that you are able to take care of your children financially. Now, you may be a full-time working mom who works long hours. Hopefully, you have a support system with friends or with close family members who you trust and are able to help you care for the children. That's going to matter to the court. What's going to matter to the court is, do you have time to spend with your children doing homework at night, providing good meals for them? Are you able to take care of your children in a way that's going to promote that they become the best individuals they can be in life? Do you have the kind of morals that the court wants you to teach your children? Now, the court's not going to get involved in religious decisions about where you should take your kids to church or whether you should take your kids to church. But you need to be able to demonstrate to the court that you have superior values, that you're the one who's able to teach the children all they need to know to become the most productive member of society and the most responsible adult that that child can become. So there's so many factors that play into how a court awards custody. What's important is what we build from you and your ideas about what you want to do with your children and how you present yourself, your case and yourself to the court. And when you testify, and the things that we show to the court in the exhibits we're going to prepare with you to show to the court, all of these things matter to the judge as they try to make a fair decision for you that will award you primary or sole custody of your children.